Hazur, he refers to a prayer, as we said, when the people woke up from sleep, said, thank God who has granted us life after he took our life, previously, before we went to sleep.
Prayer where we say when we get up, Alhamdulillah allazi ahyana ba'da ma amatana. What is the meaning of amatana?
Amata is a temporary death. Al-mautu
Ukhtul maut. An-nawmu ukhtul maut.
Al-nawmu ukhtul maut, yes. And akhul is also used. I always say ukhtul maut, but somebody tried to correct me and said it's akhul maut.
Listen to ukhtul.
And nom is feminine, isn't it? Or is it masculine?
The normal use is masculine.
This is why somebody corrected me, said don't say ukhtul maut, say akhul maut. But I have heard it ukhtul maut, and you have also heard the same. Anyway, it's the same thing. This sleep is a partial death. And this has been explained in another verse, that those who are destined to die, Allah holds their souls back and they never get up. And those who are partially, temporarily dead, their souls are eternal. So every morning, to remind us that we are reliving a life again after mere death, Hazrat Rasulullah ﷺ has taught us this prayer.